Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Sugar-free cough drops protect your teeth by not feeding cavity-causing bacteria. They use sweeteners like xylitol, which can reduce harmful bacteria and plaque buildup. This lowers your risk of tooth decay while soothing your throat. Choosing sugar-free drops is an easy way to keep your smile healthy.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.